So, welcome to a day in my life catering for my second takeout. So, the day was going absolutely good. We prepped from the night before Friday night and we were ready. About 8:39 we got 6 more orders on the day. Guys, we cut off from Thursday and we got 6 more orders Saturday morning. Guys, I started filming some content, but I had to put the camera down, so I didn't get everything of the full day. I had to cook 15 pounds of Irish potato because the best seller was the creamy mashed potato with the honey barbecue pork chops. It was absolutely amazing. Um, it was a success, and I just want to say thank you to everyone who supported, and we had to facilitate those orders, so I had to hit the ground running. Thanks for the support.